What's up guys? Today we wanna try something new and make a drawing on the latest Yuga Slim 9i. First apply UV glue on the A cover. Yuga Slim 9i adopt high-strength glass on the A cover with 3D curve design, creating its exquisite texture. Our first choice of DIY product. After air drying or blue light radiation, sketch a few curves on the drying UV glue. Then add some shading and highlights, draw your eyes. Voila, lovely carps swim to Yuga. Of course, we did a lot of testing before we actually made it. UV glue, poplin, and other color pigment opened up a lot of possibilities. We will be doing some more fun stuff in the future videos. It's easy to make, but if you also wanna try it out, here's a big reminder for you. Please make sure you're in an airy outdoor carryout. UV glue has high toxicity. Be sure to wear a mask and glove with safety protection. If you have any creative and interesting ideas for DIY products, leave your comment down below. This is Lenovo Consumer PC. Catch you in the next one.